In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this little plus at the bottom right corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Then you can look for your audio file by hitting Audio at the top, picking one of those apps or clicking on those two lines at the top left corner to select one of those sources. Either way, after locating your file, just hold it and choose Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video one instead, select Gallery section, look for your video and click on it. If it's not recent, you can click on Folders, look for it here and click on it as well to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!